Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to do my first fall look. It is September now, so technically it's not really fall yet, but like it's September, so it's totally fall. My birthday is coming up really soon. It's on the 8th of September and I'm gonna be 18. I just love fall looks. I love warm tones. I just think it complements my features, my blue eyes, my light hair, you know, it's just warm tones and me are just one. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm never exactly sure what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to start off with the same stuff that I've been using for a minute. This is the Essence Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. First couple sprays are always the worst. My lips have been really chapped recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Carmex. And what other palette do I use other than the Louise palette right here? The last video I used my Jaclyn Hill Vault, and then I did do a little bit of this one, but this time I really want to focus in on the Louise palette and really just show you guys how well these colors are, how well they blend. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I think eyebrows are just boring AF. I just did some really quick eyebrows. Of course, I'm going to use the Louise Base. I was watching, and I know that Louise recommends patting the base in, but I tried it when I first got it and I didn't really like it. So I just continued on to my normal method. But then I saw Mitchell doing it, and I was like, maybe I need to like give this another try again. So I'm gonna use a similar brush that he used. It was like an angled kind of fluffy duo fiber brush. I need to kind of wipe it off because it looks like I used it. And we're gonna see if maybe I like it better this time. I don't know. This shade Sunkissed right here. So I'm just going to tap this in. I'm going to just work at these edges really lightly and probably for a long time. So I'm probably going to have to edit a lot of this out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is use this yellow in my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. This is a little too red orange for me, and I want it to be like orange, at least like blended areas at the top. So by using a yellow instead of just like a orange, I'm gonna get more of that orange that I want, and it's gonna be a lot brighter too. So I'm gonna put it right a little bit underneath where I already have some of that orange and just start to blend that. Go into the shade called Queen, and I'm going to grab a little bit onto this kind of shader brush. It's also a little bit fluffy, but it's really good at depositing color and getting that color where you want it to. I'm going to go ahead and take this kind of, again, already where the orange is a little bit, and then use this brush again. I'm just going to use this leftover yellow that I already have on here to help me kind of blend the two colors together. Now sometimes Queen, I'm not gonna lie, Queen can get a little patchy sometimes. It looks like it's starting to do it right now. You just have to kind of work with it and build it up and get it to be what you want it to be. Now I'm gonna take the color Bestie right here. It's this nice dark rich brown, and I'm gonna just pack it onto this outer part of my eye. And I'm going to bring it in quite far because I'm going to do a really nice, like rich, warm tone right here. So the more that I bring this in, the closer that I get it to that color, the more that shade is going to pop in contrast with. I had orange juice pulp on my mouth. The more that color is going to pop like against this next to it. Small circular motions. You can't speed up blending, and unfortunately I have learned this the hard way. the faster you go at it, the worse it's gonna get. So you really have to take your time and just use circular motions and just kind of just ask the eyeshadow to be nice to you. So I'm gonna use this palette. It is the Broadway Colors eyeshadow kit. It's from the dollar store actually. And I used to love this eyeshadow palette. I really love this color right here, and I think it's gonna go perfect with this look. So I am going to use this. I don't know if it's gonna be metallic enough for me though, so we'll see. I might have to dip into some other colors, but I do want to try and attempt to use it and give it a fair chance. And I'm going to spray it with that primer spray. Perfect. And just kind of slowly start to pull the colors into one another. Normally I would do a winged liner, but today I think I want to try out doing just like a really smoky blown out like pencil liner. And I'm just taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and smudging it in. I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and go ahead and apply my false lashes too. I can't remember what these are called. They're something from Vegas Nay. After I put these lashes on, then I started to feel it and I was like, okay, okay. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow base, and again, we are going to tap, 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 tap. You take the shade Sun Kiss. Tap it on the lower lash line first, and I'm just gonna blend it down. The shade Bestie, just tap it right at that lash line. And I'm going to do black eyeliner in the waterline. And then I'm gonna do the face, and then I will get back to you guys because the face isn't fall-esque, it's just my normal face. Okay, so I have my face on, and I used this foundation that I hadn't used in a minute, and it is way too pink. So ignore that kind of undertone issue that we're having right now. But I'm gonna use this color called Matte-stermind from the L'Oreal Riche collection. It's my absolute favorite lip liner. And I'm gonna overline my lips and kind of fill them in with this color. And then now I'm gonna use Victoria's Secret lip plumper in the shade Almost Nude, but it's definitely completely nude, not almost. And this is our fall look. So let me know what you guys think about it. I absolutely love this look. This is like one of my favorite kind of looks to do, just like warm, smoky tones with a lot of highlight. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.